Hi Purple Group, today we're going to read The Little Red Hen, and hopefully later you'll join me in making some bread just as the Little Red Hen did. So, The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time there was a little red hen who lived in a farmyard. One day the little red hen found some grains of wheat. She took them to the other farmyard animals. "Will you help me plant these grains of wheat?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the rat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I shall plant the grains myself," said the little red hen. And she did. Every day the little red hen went to the field to watch the grains of wheat growing, and they grew tall and strong. One day the little red hen saw that the wheat was ready to cut. "Now the wheat can be made into flour," said the little red hen to herself, and she set off for the farmyard. "Will you help me take the wheat to the mill to be ground into flour?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the rat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I shall take the wheat to the mill myself," said the little red hen. So she did. The little red hen took the wheat to the mill, and the miller ground it into flour. When the wheat had been ground into flour, the little red hen took it to the other animals in the farmyard. "Will you help me take this flour to the baker to be made into some bread?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," said the cat. "Not me," said the rat. "Not I," said the pig. "Then I shall take the flour to the baker myself," said the little red hen. And she did. The little red hen took the flour to the baker, and the baker made it into bread. There she is kneading her dough. She made with all that flour. When the bread was baked, the little red hen took it to the other animals in the farmyard. "The bread is now ready to be eaten," said the little red hen. "Who will help me eat the bread?" "I will," said the cat. "I will," said the rat. "I will," said the pig. "No, you will not," said the little red hen. "I will eat it all by myself." And she did. I I think they probably wish they'd helped the little red hen to bake the bread so that they could share it with her. I think she had some delicious jam and butter and everything with it. So I hope you'll join me later making some bread rolls, and I'll see you then. Bye.